Today we're gonna make smoked corned beef. So I would say 4 to 6 hours, put the corned beef in water, get some of that extra brine off it. Super simple. Cover both sides of the meat. Next, you're gonna wanna spread Dijon mustard on both sides of the meat, all over. Get it covered. I use a fork or a spoon, just so my hands aren't all nasty, gooey, nasty. You're gonna wanna add some pepper. And then repeat the same thing on both sides. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And then those little seedlings that they give you that come with the packages. Again, do it on both sides. Simple as. I prefer that the meat looks more like this, not so much fat. I'm gonna take that and cut that off. Keep it if you're crazy. Do what you gotta do. Just remember your heart loves you. Okay, meat is prepared, both sides. All the fixings on it. Chips have been soaking in the wood. I think I'm using mesquite. And let's go throw it on the smoker. Get out your smoker. Set it to 275. And then do that for 4 hours. On the second hour, drop it down to 250. Okay, we hit the 275 mark. Get that little cloud of smoke coming out. Good. In your eyes. That's a bit much. I'm gonna add some water. Keep it moist. Drop them in. There's your 2. Lock it up, add your chips, and come back in 4 hours. I'm gonna add some mesquite chips. Been soaking in water for about an hour or so. Maybe one more. There we go. We're done for now. Let's check on the meat. That looks good. Let's clean that off. There we go. So nice. Now you take the meat out of the smoker, and we're almost done. Now I take 2 sheets of tin foil, cross them over, start folding to make a little bath or jacuzzi for these guys to sit in. I'll show you in a sec. Take a longer sheet of tin foil, put that one right in between. Looks like that. Put one of the chunks of meat in there. Add like 1/3 cup of water over the meat. And then seal that whole thing up. Set your oven to 350. Create a little steam bath for about 20 minutes or so. You should be ready to go. Put it in the oven at 350, 20 minutes. I'll show you in a bit. After about 20 minutes, you want to pull it out and start to cutting.